Hi everybody, Lisa here. Today I'm going to do a flip cup with using purples and then having a green and a black as my contrast colors. I'm working on a 10 by 10 canvas. I have my giant push pins from Staples on the bottom. I've already put spot on treadmill silicone in all of the cups except the black. And that's so I can create some cells. I've already pre-sprayed my cup that I'm going to be pouring the colors into with my blaster silicone lubricant. And the reason I do that is so that the colors release easily from the cup. Let's begin. Some of my colors feel a little bit thicker because it's a little cold in this room today. It's only about 65 degrees here in California, which in any other place in the world is not cold, but it's cold for us. The only reason I put these in the cups is so that I could put the silicone into them. When I pre-mix my bottles, I don't have any silicone in them. And that's so that if I want to use them for different projects that don't call for silicone, they're already done for me. And I like to use the bottles too because it helps prevent paint from being wasted. And I'm going to top the cup off with some Artist Loft Flow White. And we're ready to flip it. Let that sit there for a few minutes so all the paint can flow to the bottom. Actually, it's flowing to the top of the cup. Okay, let's see what we got here. I see some beautiful cells forming. Just going to let that sit there for a few moments, see what develops before I put my torch on it. Okay, this has sat here for a couple minutes. I'm ready to torch it and see what else we have coming up and to pop some of these air bubbles. I use a propane torch. Pretty cool. Getting a lot of cells now. So what you want to do at this point is look at the paint on your canvas and see which parts that you really like and would like to keep, and you try to pour or tilt away from that so that you don't lose that. Sometimes it's kind of impossible to do that and to be able to actually keep what you want. I really like this area right here and this one right here, so I'm going to try to keep that as much as possible. Not sure if it's going to happen though. I'm using my hands as an edge protector so that I don't lose all my paint over the side. You want to make sure you cover all your sides. What I like about this is the black did not overtake it. It kind of worries me sometimes when I use black. Quite a few cells. They're not as defined as I actually would like them to be. Let me try spraying some Rain-X onto this. If you guys haven't used Rain-X before and you want to try it, make sure you get the original formula. Spraying Rain-X on it creates instant cells. Sometimes they're not very large cells, but it does give you a few more. So let's try that before we torch it. This is the Rain-X original formula. You just need a couple sprays. Okay, I put 3 on there, more than a couple. But I am seeing some instant cells coming up. Rain-X is highly flammable, so I wouldn't recommend torching after you put it on there. Although I do like to live dangerously, and I will torch it. Some new cells came up from the Rain-X. Very cool. Okay, well, here you have it. So stay tuned for some close-ups, and I'd like to thank you for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. I'll see you next time. Bye.